Click Settings, About, Clear Cache. Restart the device. Search for the model to be cut. Use L film for cutting data marked L. Use L plus film for cutting data marked XL and meanwhile labeled L plus. Please feed the film into the machine vertically as the video shows. The application method for the L plus film single line version is the same as that for the L size film single line version. This video demonstrates the process using the L size film as an example. Clean the tablet screen with cleanser and cleaning cloth. Peel off the film frame from the top left corner. Roll the bottom layer downward as shown in the video to remove the film. Align the film with the tablet screen. Align the film carefully, ensuring equal margins on each side. Gently scrape the film with the squeegee card after alignment. The film's release layer is adhesive and can remove residual dust. If repositioning is required, the film can be lifted from the corners to reposition. Note, when lifting the film, ensure the release layer is lifted together. Lift one side of the film and push the squeegee card evenly forward, following a curved path at corners. Lift the other side and repeat the process. Peel off the top layer. Application complete.